my shield. Well, hello there, you two. What is it? Today's the 17th. It's like 8:42. I had to wait for it to cool off. It's in the 90s, so I think it's 85 now. It dropped. But I got my other old helmet on, and I just put a lavalier mic in it. Hopefully it's not all staticky. I think that's why it happened before, but I got my other mic in the other helmet. But this one, I put the stuff back in it, and it's I quit using this helmet because I dropped it and I broke the little visor doohickey off, and I glued another one, but it fell apart already. Glued something on it and it didn't work. So it's actually pretty nice out, so jumped on the Goldwing. I gotta keep it running every now and then. And help, bunny. They don't even move. So it's actually nice. So I'm gonna go for a little spin. Yep, I got one of my lights are out on my running board because I looked underneath it and I think I drug a wire in it, and I just need to crawl underneath there and solder it all back together, and that way I can turn on the fogs. Wow, it looks almost kind of hazy. Well, let's see where the mic is. Oh, it's pretty close there. I better close my shield though. Yeah, the shield's dark. So I thought I'd go for a spin, and it's actually nice out. Wow. I guess I gotta wait till dark to go for a ride. But I like my Goldwing. Bye.